you know you are lying. What is wrong with you? You just want to waste your parents' money or what? You don't. So why? What happened? Say the truth.
I was not feeling well.
Yeah. You know I know that you're lying. But please don't repeat this again. Don't repeat it again. Just go to the staff common room and get me Mr. Enchil. Okay. Think you are studying for me.
Madam Judith.
Hey, Sadie.
How are you?
I'm good. Yourself?
I'm very good. Madam Judith.
Sadie.
And you are here all by yourself?
Yes.
Wow. Anyway, I just wanted to talk to you.
Okay. Oh, yes.
Today the weather is... Can you feel the weather? The weather is some way.
Mr. Eddie, you say you want to talk to me.
Yes. Yes. Have you eaten?
But you saw me at the cafeteria.
Yeah. Ooh, I forgot. I hope everything is fine.
Are you for real?
Oh, I just.
You just what?
I just remembered I've left something in the office, so let me.
You know what? I have
in the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secrets of a love.
Mr. Eddie. I told you this. I told you. I don't know how to do this. I told you. Just five. It's easy for you to do this thing. Yeah, I told you. I said you shall. I will not try it. Hey. Be careful. I'm still your teacher. I'm sorry, sir. I will not try it again. Good luck next time. Mr. Eddie.
That fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love, is where I want to go.
Mr. Eddie.
You are my
And so what? Say, go. I'm coming. Go, I'm coming. To do what? For what? You don't know what is happening to me here. You are coming to tell me.
It's a no shame. Oh, angels love, surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure. It's a no shame.
He's all on his one.
Rama, please come. So could you not have helped me with washing the dishes? Huh? Look, you are a young lady living with an elderly woman. And it is proper that sometimes you help with the house chores. But I've been observing you for some time now. You hardly do any chores in this house. Era?
No, I'll take care of it.
Please do, okay? I'm off to the market. I'm even undecided whether to, buy ingredients for more soupy foods or we should do stews. Which one do you prefer?
Anything is fine.
Okay, and don't you want anything in particular so that I can get it for you?
I'm fine now, thank you.
And please, sometimes do help with these minor chores, okay?
Yes.
Wash these dishes and try and tidy up the compound too for me, alright?
Okay, ma.
I'll be back soon.
Okay, ma. How do humans even clean this? God, what do I do? If Auntie Yellow comes back to see if that I haven't washed these dishes, I'll be so disgraced. Fate is punching us. Enchil. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate you more than you know. How was I going to wash these things? Oh, good.
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secret of a love shining through.
I couldn't make it. I got dressed and all that, but I ended up somewhere else.
And where'd you go?
I wanted to track something down.
I've been busy, you know.
Are you alright? Since your accident, you've been missing a lot.
I've just been caught up with some stars. Yeah, but I'm fine.
Okay, I get it. Let's head to class before we are late again.
I'm fine, don't worry.
Surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure. It's a no shame. Oh, angels love, surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure. It's a no shame.
That was weird though, but I thought good.
I kept so long.
School. But you can't keep yourself busy.
Oh God, you know how bored I get whenever you're in school.
I'm sorry about that one, but I'm finally home now.
Class with tomorrow too.
But I'm free now, let's share the moment we have. So let me change and then we can have fun.
Alright then.
Look this here.
realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love.
Make your last wish.
Step aside, Jane. You've got nothing to say to me.
Funny how you say that. I am actually glad the three of you are here.
Young warlock, step aside if you don't want to end up like your friend.
This is for Mastered.
You think you can take us all? You're in for a surprise, Jaden. Let's show him, girls. You're nothing compared to us.
His solemn is one.
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love, is where I want to go. You are my dream come true, love, so I'll never leave your side. Oh, angels love, surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure, it's a no shame. Oh, angels love, surrender.
Finally, we have crossed each other.
And who are you?
For months, I've been planning on a way to kill you. And now, look at you, all alone at my mercy.
Listen, I'm not scared of you, okay? And as you can see, I don't have time. I'm going somewhere else. Mahima, she died a long time ago.
Yes, she is dead. And you are the reason why she's dead. She killed herself because of you.
Do it.
You are so young for vengeance in the underworld. You are responsible for everything.
What happened? Are you okay?
His solemn is one.
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night.
Why are you choking?
It's where I want to
I don't feel it.
come true, love, so I'll never leave your side. Oh, It's a no shame. Oh, angels love, surrendered me like a flame.
Auntie!
Stand! What is wrong with him?
Something happened to him. I saw him lying on the ground.
How?
I don't know. I'm not sure. He was attacked. I don't know.
By who? I don't know. I have never known my nephew to get into any scuffle with anybody. Who attacked him?
He's the only one who can answer this question.
And he's choking. He's holding his neck and he's choking. This is the same sentence Eramatu is exhibiting. Please, don't be set inside, okay? But where is Pussy? Where is Pussy?
Really fine.
Hey! God help me! Hey! God! Hannah!
Be solemnly sworn.
How are you feeling?
Quite better than before.
Yeah, you'll be fine, okay? The herbalist says it will take some few hours before the concoction takes effect. But you'll be fine, okay?
Thank you.
The boy who brought you home, who is he? I mean, do you know much about him?
Yeah, James V.
That's his name, right?
Yeah, he's a very good friend of mine. I mean, like my best friend in school.
Wow.
Yeah. Why are you asking?
Oh, he's a good Samaritan. In fact, he's God sent.
Yeah. He's a very good boy, even all the teachers praise him in school.
I can see. It's fine. Sorry. You'll be fine, okay? Do you feel like eating something?
No, I just want to rest.
Not even a drink?
No. I just want to rest. Maybe when I'm probably up.
Some soup?
You tell.
Oh God.
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love, is where I want to go. You are my dream come true, love, so I'll never leave your side. Oh, angels love, surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure, it's a no shame. Oh, angels love, surrendered me like a flame.
Vetus Angelos. Vetus Angelos. Vetus Angelos. Come to me, old one.
Young one, How do I owe you this sermon?
Thank you so much for coming, old one. The boy is in serious trouble with people who serve the spiritual realm. This time round, it felt as if I had a hold in my heart. Old one, I don't understand what is going on.
You and Stana have formed a unique bond. When he suffers, you feel his pains. Your hearts are connected.
But how did this happen?
It's a rare occurrence and consequence of your past actions and choices. This bond will remain until we find a way to restore you to your angelic form.
No. Awurajay, this can't happen.
Young one, your task now is to protect Stana. Stay close to him. Watch over him. Your presence will shield him from harm as we work towards solution.
Well noted, old one. I'll do whatever I can to protect him.
Good to hear, young one. Go to school with Stana tomorrow. Be his guardian. And remember, you are not in this alone. I am with you.
Thank you so much, old one. Thank you so much, old one. Thank you, old one.
His soul in his one.